Behind every burnt building, every broken vehicle, every lifeless body, there is a truth waiting to be uncovered. Burnt mastic can become the spark of justice.
Every scene speaks, if we listen with science and serve with sensitivity.
Hello friends, welcome back to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs, where science meets truth and service meets society. Today, move to part 4 of our crime scene investigation series. A very important episode, specialized investigations. Each type of crime scene demands not just skill, but sensitivity, awareness, and respect for human dignity. Number 1, death scene investigation. Finding the truth with care. Every death is not a crime, but every unexplained death must be treated with care. We must ask, is this death natural or suspicious? Are there any signs of violence, poisoning, or suicide? What clues can the position of the body, rigor mortis, body temperature, or insect activity reveals? Estimating time since death is crucial. It connects timelines, confirms or contradicts alibis, and helps identify the sequence of events. A death scene is a sacred place. Investigators must preserve the dignity of the deceased while ensuring that no detail is lost. Sexual assault crime scene, sensitive and scientific handling. This is one of the most emotionally sensitive crime scenes. Our approach must be based on empathy, respect, and scientific thoroughness. Key steps include immediate medical and psychological support for the victim, careful collection of biological evidence like semen, saliva, hair, clothing, etc. Preserving trace evidences from the body, scene, or bedding. Avoiding contamination. Maintaining privacy and dignity. In these cases, forensic science becomes not just a tool, but a voice for the voiceless. Fire does not just destroy, it leaves behind clues in the form of burn marks, charred depths, and melted debris. Our forensic goal at the fire scene: identify the point of origin. Look for ignition devices or accelerants like petrol or kerosene or diesel, etc. Analyze soot patterns, V-pattern burns, and melted wires. Rule out electrical faults versus deliberate setting. Case insight. In one warehouse fire, police suspected an electric short circuit, but we found pore marks, unusual V-burns, and faint petrol odor. Gas chromatography confirmed accelerant use, and the case turned from insurance claim to intentional arson. In fire investigation, even a burnt mastic can become the spark of justice. explosive and bomb scene protocol. Safety first, science next. These are high risk zones and the first priority is always safety for forensic teams, responders and the public. Forensic tasks at a bomb scene. Ensure the area is secure and no secondary devices remain. Use chemical swabs and instrumental analysis to detect explosive residues. Study the blast radius, crater formation, fragment spread, etc. Reconstruct the device using remains, wires, batteries, timing units, container pieces, detonator pieces, burnt fuse wires, chemical stains, crater, etc. Case insight. At a bus stop explosion scene, our team recovered shrapnel embedded in walls and tiny battery fragments. A post-blast reconstruction helped identify the bomb type and detonation trigger. Physical evidence collected in other case and chemical residue matched exactly with the bomber signature of other blast case, leading to a breakthrough in an interstate terror case. Such scenes demand multi-agency coordination, composure, and complete discipline. Vehicle accident forensics. Reconstructing motion into truth. Accidents may happen in seconds, but the evidence left behind speaks for hours. What we look for: skid marks, brake patterns, point of impact, glass spread, tire prints, and vehicle resting position. Injury mapping to see if seat belts, airbags were used. Mechanical examination for brake failure or steering loss. Speed estimation and movement direction using tire skid marks, physics and software. Case insight. In one case, a truck driver claimed brake failure, but skid patterns showed full braking occurs 20 meters before the crash. Upon inspection, brakes were fully functional. It was not failure, it was negligence and overspeeding. Accident forensics helps the court answer. Was it just an accident, or was it avoidable, or worse, intentional? Whether it is a fire, a blast, or a collision, the scene may be chaotic, but forensic science brings its structure, logic, and clarity. To all trainees, officers, and curious minds watching this series, observe everything, protect what remains, and let the evidence speak, because the truth hides in burn marks, twisted metal, and blast fragments, and it is our job to reveal it. Friends, each specialized investigation is a bridge between science and humanity. Behind every burnt building, every broken vehicle, every lifeless body, there is a truth waiting to be uncovered and a family waiting for justice. Let us handle every case with honesty, humanity, and responsibility. In our next episode, we will begin a deep dive into evidence analysis in the forensic lab, where collected materials become courtroom facts. If you find this content useful, please like, subscribe and share this video. Let us together make forensic science a pillar of justice and awareness in society. Jai Hind, Jai Forensics. This is Suresh Taruvu signing off with sincerity and service.